Hello, today I'm going to talk about the Panda House Nightmare Before Christmas Snow Jack. So this here is basically memorabilia from the movie Nightmare Before Christmas by Tim Burton. Now, I'm not usually a huge fan of Tim Burton movies. Sorry to you other fans out there, but I did really like this one, and this was a gift to me. Now, what's nice about this is it is not just a Halloween gift, it's a Christmas gift, because The Nightmare Before Christmas was kind of creepy, but it still was about Christmas, so you kind of have both elements. So if you're looking for a Halloween and Christmas gift, or one or the other, this is really good. And it's just a really fun little weird plush doll, basically. So it is Snow Jack, and this is a character from the animation. And definitely should check out the movie if you have not. It's really excellent. It basically plays the NBC holiday medley. So I will show you here. Are you ready? Let me move some potato chips out of the side so I have space for it. Okay, here it goes. Oh, this thing's so creepy. It's going really far away. Right, so it was actually over here, and then it went all the way over there. So it does travel very far, and you can't just put it on your shelf and then press the press me button, because it'll probably fall off your shelf. It is just one of those toys that just dances all around, and I think that's the fun of it. You don't really know what it's gonna do, but it's definitely a fun gift for a kid or someone who is a fan of the movie. And it has posable arms, so you can actually move the arms in any way you want, make them do what you want. As you can see, the tags are still on it, and that's because it is brand new, and this was recently gifted to me. It's only August, well, September actually, and so pretty early for a Halloween gift, but my friend has a good sense of humor. And he turns around when the music plays, which is cool. It is a 14-inch plush toy, and I do keep mine on a shelf. I just have to remember to take them down when I press anything or show them off. And I usually, I only got him a week ago, so but I will probably display him a lot more during the holiday season, just as more a decor item. And then when guests come over, you can show it off. So the hat here is very fuzzy, and then it's really soft, and then the bag also here is fuzzy, and there's a little candy cane in it. And the snowman body is all soft too, and this is white here. You have the buttons, you have the freaky face right here, and then the really long arms that have wires in them, so you can shape them and make them do weird poses. And then on the bottom here, it moves around with this plastic thing with wheels, and there are 2 screws, and you can actually change the battery that way. You need a screwdriver to do it though. So it is pretty loud, so if you're trying to keep it down, maybe don't play with this. Remember that it can disturb some people if they're trying to sleep and you're busy playing with this. And once you start it, you have to wait till it stops to be able to play with it. I mean, to be able to have some peace and quiet. You can't pause it. So just keep that in mind. The batteries are included when you get it. They're 2 AA batteries, and you should not use rechargeable ones. It's just not a good idea with this product. So definitely get some throwaway or disposable ones. It's very easy to start. All you do is press down on the hand. So it's pretty easy. It doesn't take a lot of strength or anything like that. It fits as a display item too. So it's not too big. You can actually put it on a bookshelf, which is nice. I wouldn't travel with this. This is something you keep at home. It's something you like take around with you. If you need a plush toy, I would get a teddy bear. I would not get this. But this is a great gift to have for somebody. So if you're traveling with it to give it as a gift, then there's an option. It does twirl very quickly, so you might have to keep an eye on it if someone's using it. And it comes all assembled like this. This is how it comes in the box basically whenever you buy it. So you don't have to worry about putting things together to get it to work. I really love how soft it feels. It's so soft. It's one of those items, those toys that's just so soft. You just want to pet it all the time. It is polyester fiber and polyester fiber felt, basically. It's made in China, and this is a Disney product, so I would definitely check out this product, and especially if you like this movie or you like Tim Burton or you just like toys. This is just such a great decor. A lot of people know this movie, so it wouldn't be like an inside joke. It would be something that a lot of people would like. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you check this out.